Now guys, I'm going to move on to telling you guys how to get your stuff quick on Amazon. Even if you don't have Amazon Prime, these are tricks that you can use to get, or this is how you know you can get your stuff quickly, especially in this pandemic. Hey guys. Anyways, today I'm going to be talking about something very simple. Thank you to all of you who have subscribed, by the way. Thanks to those who are viewing. I appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. Anyways, I'm just going to be filming about a day in my life today. I'm going to also talk about shopping on Amazon in this pandemic, what to expect, shipping times, and stuff like that. So I shopped on Amazon quite a bit for a couple of things, and they published some dates, and I got my stuff at different dates. I want to just share what to expect when you order some type of items on Amazon, if to go ahead and because I know that many people are holding off because of the dates are scary. If you have Amazon Prime, what to expect when you shop on Amazon, and also basically just showing you what I got. I got stuff for my content creation. Nope, it's not an appliance. Well, there's an appliance, but it's not a camera. I don't know why I don't trust Amazon yet to buy like a camera, but I'll get to that point. But anyways, I feel like Amazon is a great space to shop in. So I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. Enough of the chit chat. Let me get right into the video. See you guys when I tilt the camera to my box. Bye. Okay, like I said, the box was already like sort of unboxed. But anyways, I'm going to open the box. So usually they put like stuff like this to just make sure that your appliances don't get damaged. So I got a countertop burner just to make it easy for me when I film in my home studio for cooking recipes and stuff. And on the website they had advertised that I was going to get this by May 19th, but for some reason I got this within 2 days. I do have Amazon Prime, so what I noticed when you shop with Amazon, if you have Amazon Prime right now, it doesn't really matter what you have. So I'll tell you guys at the end of this video what changes with Amazon Prime and how you can get your stuff ASAP. So just keep watching. So I got this 2 days after I ordered it. So basically what you get in this box is just the countertop burner. It's just a single unit that you can put on a countertop. Also, as you can see here, it's the regular generic operational buttons where you have the low, high, and medium heat. Nothing too crazy or complex for you to understand. It's just very straightforward and you can easily operate it. It's one of those burners that you can't touch on the side because it really gets really hot when it's on. And at the back they have advertised a little caution that says do not immerse in water, which is, I feel like, it's common sense, like if you have any appliance whatsoever. This product did not come with a manual, so that's a minus for me. The next thing I got is the UBs. I want to believe this is the ring lights. I want to believe this is the ring lights because I know that I got 2 things from this specific brand. I believe it's the ring light. So I'm going to show you guys what the video looks like with the ring light, because right now you don't want to see what I'm using for my videos. It's so funny. So the ring light came with like a phone stand. I think this is for phone. And it came with this thing, which I don't know what it's for yet until I look at the rest of the box. And it has a shutter, so I can take pictures by myself without the help of anybody. Put this here. It also came with a tripod stand in this very lovely pouch, which is similar to the tripod stand pouch that I currently own. This is like the tripod stand specifically for the ring light. It's not as solid as the one I have. It's more of a, I don't want to use the word fragile because the ring light is not exactly heavy. Well, I think it depends on the size. I think the size I bought is like, oh, this goes like, this is really long. Like, this is really, really, really long. Pretty impressed. So I guess this is the ring light. I believe I bought either a 10-inch. I think I bought a 10-inch. So it comes in this. I swear I love Amazon's packaging. It's just amazing. So this pouch is so beautiful. I love anything Nubuck. Like, I'm a Nubuck fanatic. I really love it. So this is the ring light. That will kind of give me an understanding. Where is it? going to try this off camera and come back when I figure it out. Okay, my house is chaos right now. This is what the ring light looks like. I believe this is either an 8-inch or a 10-inch. I'll confirm and I'll put it as a title or a text here. And it has a phone holder. It also has, I believe you can adjust the brightness as well. I don't know. I have to plug it in to find out. And it has this little, I don't want to call it feeble, but it has this very gentle looking tripod stand that's just enough to carry the weight of your phone. I don't think it can take like a professional camera, but I'm sure I can figure it out. So yeah, this is just what it looks like. And it also came with a shutter. So let me show you guys a video of how it looks with my phone. Okay guys, now I'm back. I figured out how to set up these ring lights. Like I said, the tripod stand that came with the ring light is very feeble. It could barely hold my phone because my phone is really heavy. So this is one of the lights that this thing gives. I think it gives 3 lights. There's a white light, there's like, I don't know, middle of white and orange light. There's like a proper orange light. So let's look at the brightness. Start from the white light. This is the brightest and it goes, I don't know if you can see the brightness reducing on my face. Now it's really low. This is the lowest. So I'll change the lights to the next one. This is the brightest for this light. This is the one that is in between orange and white. Stop. And this is how, oh my god, I have Grace on the phone, she's bothering me. So this is how low it can go. And I'm sure you can see the reduction in light on my phone. Okay, now to the last light, the orange one, which I think is my favorite one. Because I feel like it kind of, I took some pictures, I will attach it to the end of this video. It kind of gives you, I don't know, it works with my skin tone, that's all I'm going to say. So this is how low the light goes. So you can basically change the light setting how you want it, and you can also adjust the brightening, which is interesting. So I'm going to go back to unboxing and show you guys the last item I bought. This is interesting. Okay, jokes apart, let's go to the last item. So the last item I got is a UB size mini tripod stand, and this is one that is good for the countertop. It's something that you can also have handy when you're going around and you're filming. It came with a foldable phone holder, which I think is unique to their brand because I already got one with the ring light I got today. This is something that you can just attach to it, or you can attach the camera in place of the phone holder. And one thing that's fascinating about this, it enlarges to accommodate the width of your phone. And another thing I like is the tripod stand itself. It's very flexy, so you can angle your phone however, or your camera however you wish, basically. I find this very fascinating, and the texture of the tripod stand itself is very, very easy on the hands. It came with a shutter as well, and also the shutter has a manual, so you know exactly how to use it. So guys, in this pandemic, if you go on Amazon right now, I will try to put a recorded screen somewhere here of Amazon. You would see most of the dates are very scary. Like, you can even see up to a month away from now to get your packages, and that kind of discourages people from ordering on Amazon. But what you should look at when you're shopping on Amazon, try to take a look at where the seller of the item is. So if the seller of the item is in your country, you can order this thing, you can order the item because you are guaranteed that you can get it. But if the seller of the item is in a different country, because Amazon usually shows like this seller is like in this country, if it shows that it's in a different country, you most likely will experience delays, and the date that Amazon is actually telling you is most likely right. I think they put those dates as a blanket so that you don't have too much expectations for them, just in case your item does not come. So my items were all telling me that I will get them by May 19. I ordered these items on the 26th. I ordered them on 26th and I got them on the 28th, which is usually the expectation if you're using Prime. So I have Amazon Prime, and that's how fast I got it. And what I did when I was picking these items, because when I searched for the items I wanted, so many comes out, so I just filtered through them to make sure that the item I was picking are items that are currently in Canada or sold by Canadian vendors. So I know that for sure that the item is already within Canada. So most likely if it's within Canada, it's already in the Canadian Amazon warehouse. So it will be coming to me sooner than if it was like from China or from somebody in America or something like that, because so many businesses are experiencing delays now due to the whole pandemic thing happening, which is not a secret. So anyways guys, that's all for my unboxing today. I've used the UB Size brand. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but let me say it. So UB Size brand, I've used this brand a lot actually from Amazon, and I would say that they're really good. So I can count on them because I currently own a professional tripod stand which I purchased from them, and I've not had any problem with it. I've had it for a year. I believe May 1st is going to make it a year, which is in a couple of days from now. So I don't regret buying this tripod stand at all. I recommend it to anybody. I think I've even shared the link to a couple of my friends, though this video is not sponsored, but I love to share, so I decided to just share this. It tells you fast and free. It's really fast and free, but you just have to use your sense. And also guys, when you get your boxes at home, please don't forget to sanitize the box. When I say sanitize, you can just use an alcohol wipe to clean it up, and leave the box at least for 24 hours before you start touching it. Make sure that you stay safe, guys. I hope one day Amazon sponsors me, low-key. But anyways, for now, I'm just gonna be sharing my experiences with them. Anyways, guys, keep staying safe. I was gonna take you guys throughout my day, but that's just too much because I'm working from home today, so I need to stay focused on my work. It's very hard to film while I'm working, so I just wanted to just give you guys this quick unboxing video before I start working. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. If you've watched up to this point, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And in the case that you have not subscribed, this is for your viewing pleasure. I hope eventually you find a video that brings you here and keeps you glued and you end up subscribing. Anyways, till my next video, bye guys.